All sorts of problems can arise when setting up new technology, especially printers. So here is a quick guide on how you can set up your printer with your new Copilot+Pc. Before you start, do not install any software that came with the printer. If you have already, uninstall or remove any previous versions that came with it. Now there are two ways you can set up your printer with your Copilot+Pc. The first is via USB using the USB-A to USB cable. The second is via Wi-Fi using nge-print, which eliminates the need to install any additional software. Using a USB cable is the quickest way if your printer has that option. Connect the USB-B to the printer and the USB-A into your device. Then go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, click onto Printer and Scanners, and you should see your printer and drivers have been automatically installed. You will now be able to print. If you don't have that option, you can connect your printer using Wi-Fi. First, ensure your Copilot+Pc and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Once that is done, go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, then onto Printers and Scanners. This time, click on Add Devices and select your printer. Windows will connect your printer and download and install the necessary drivers. Now, when you go to print on your Copilot+Pc, your printer should show up automatically on the Print Options tab. If you are still experiencing issues, there are still some helpful avenues. Vaporia.org is a great website for checking whether your printer supports Wi-Fi connection, as you can check for the manufacturer, product type and model number of your printer. You can also download third-party software like HP Smart App, Xerox Print and Scan Experience that can help you navigate issues. You can also check printer compatibility lists provided by manufacturers like Epson and Canon on their website. Finally, there's an informative guide on Microsoft.com called Install a Printer in Windows that can provide additional help. I hope this guide has proved helpful.